Ooh, too aggressive. This is good. I like this. He's working on like the joint. It looks like he's palpating. He's working on some of the muscles. Oh no, he's about to crack this. I'm kind of scared to watch. Oh no. Ooh. To be honest, the she said she saw the light. Yeah. I think that was just actually was I think the pops that they heard were coming from the neck. I think that was just a poorly adjusted neck adjustment, but he used the lever from the jaw, which is too much. Too much.